Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica Lachey for the ones who are new. As you can see, I'm in my uniform, getting ready to go to work. I just want to come on to do an intro. I'm out of breath because I just came from downstairs. Yeah, I just want to get the intro started. So, it's a brand new vlog. Today is Thursday. Today's so really supposed to be my off day today. But y'all know I took Tuesday off. So, gotta go to work. So, y'all, I'm gonna see you when I get off from work. My battery is about to die anyway, so I'm getting ready to charge this up so it can be fully charged. So, when I come back home, so I need to charge up the other battery too as well. Hey y'all, so I made it home. Your girl, I'm feeling kind of warm a little bit, y'all. I don't know, feeling a little warm. Yeah, just a little bit, y'all. I've been blowing my nose all day today at work. I mean, constantly just blowing my nose. It was so annoying, y'all. I'm gonna take some medicine in a few minutes. I really don't like taking medicine. I really don't. I hate taking medicine. Dang, Jay talking loud. Who else like that? Am I the only one? Cause I don't know, medicine scare me, y'all. It do. So I had just put my lampshade back on because y'all, I knocked over my whole lamp this morning, and my lampshade popped off and everything. I don't know what's wrong with Legend, y'all. So now I'm just sitting here. Keisha and I, we was getting ready to go to the car wash. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like going. I need to go. I keep telling you guys in these vlogs that I need to get my car washed. I mean, it's not that bad, you know, but I do want to, like, keep up my car, you know. I think it's very attractive, y'all, if you keep your car clean and stuff like that. And I'm trying so hard to keep my car clean in the inside and, you know, just have it looking real nice and everything, y'all. I just want to, you know, to get it washed down real good, get my tires shined up and everything, and, you know, have it smelling good and stuff. Hopefully we can get to it tomorrow. We was definitely going. We was definitely going today, but I changed my mind, y'all. That was my fault. Keyshawn was ready to go and everything. How I'm feeling right now, I just don't feel like going nowhere. I really don't. So, yeah, I hope you guys understand that, but I am going to get to that freaking car wash, y'all. I know y'all probably getting annoyed by me keep talking about me wanting to go to the car wash, you know. I'm just, you know, keeping it real, y'all. We're going to get there because I do want to do my car tour as well. You know, that's when I'm going to show you guys my car, for real, for real. So, just be patient with me, y'all. You know, life happens. Things happen, y'all. My home is really dirty. I need to get it cleaned up really bad, y'all. My bathroom, everything. My room is okay. I just want to get my bathroom cleaned up really good. Mop down. I also want to clean up downstairs real good too because, y'all, it's just out of order. And my dryer, y'all, is messing up the door. It won't close. I think the little latch thing that helps it stay closed is messed up. So now I'm gonna have to go to Lowe's or somewhere and try to find a new latch to put on my dryer door so it can close up now. So Kayla, I think Kayla or Jay, one of them, they red. they got they got the basket turned upside down, got all these jugs. You know them jugs I showed you guys in the washroom? They got all of them lined up on top of the basket, and they, so that, you know, the weight can hold the door, close it or whatever. Y'all, they did that. So I'm gonna go in this vlog. We're gonna go to probably Lowe's and find that latch so I can replace it because, y'all, we can't keep doing that. I was gonna get my table. This week, but some more stuff came up, guys, so my table is on hold. So I'm gonna have to wait on that a little longer. So we're definitely gonna get that table because y'all keep telling. Well, dang, Kayla. We're definitely getting the table, okay? I haven't forgotten about IKEA either, y'all. Still gonna get there too. Just be patient with your girl, please. Be patient with me, y'all. I'm gonna get there. Trust me, we are going to make it, and we're gonna celebrate when we do. I asked Keisha, and I was like, "You want to go to the movies? Because I really do want to see The Little Mermaid." I know I told you guys this before. I still haven't gotten to the movies to see that yet. And he was like, "Mom," he said, "I'm tired." He's like, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm just like, okay, I get it. I don't have to go to work tomorrow, y'all. I was just gonna chill in the movie theater and just, watch the movie. Shoot, I might go tomorrow by myself. Cause I can't get nobody to do nothing with me, y'all. So I don't know. I really do want to go see that movie so bad. So, oh gosh, y'all. I need to find something to take. Good morning. So guys, I am actually getting ready for today. I'm about to put on my lashes right now. I just put the glue on. Y'all know I always reuse my my lashes. So yeah. Bam. Got it on. Y'all, I'm telling y'all that glue. It don't take long to dry on anything. You just pop your lashes on like it ain't nothing. Make sure no makeup or anything wasn't on this one. Y'all, I'm trying to put it on, holding the freaking camera. Girl, fire. She fire, y'all. She got it going on. Putting on lashes with one hand. Holding the camera. That girl got it going on. But yeah, y'all. And then I did it with my right hand for my left eye. When I could have did it with my left hand. Because I switched the camera and it feels better working with my lashes. Y'all, your girl got it going on, okay? Alright, y'all, so I just came from putting on some earrings. Also put some lip gloss on my lips. Because y'all already know how my lips be getting ashy, y'all. It do. Because I'm always licking my lips and stuff, y'all. So, I wasn't going to even put on makeup today, y'all. I don't know. I'll watch one of my old vlogs. I like going back, watch my old vlogs, y'all. And I seen my makeup, and I was like, I'm put on some makeup today. So that's what I did. I wasn't going to even put on no makeup today. But I always do my brows. I try to do my brows as much as I can. But some days, I skip doing my brows. But I definitely wanted my brows done today. So I did my brows. And of course I used the eyeshadow that I told you guys that I use for my brows. So I'm telling you guys it lasts all day. Try it. Try it. You might like it. I've been drinking plenty of orange juice, y'all. So I just got finished with my orange juice. I need to go buy some more. Definitely trying to drink and get my vitamin C, What else, y'all? I know I said I'm going to Lowe's. I need to stop by the beauty supply store again because I'm running out of concealer. So I need some concealer. Going there to get some concealer. And whatever else comes to mind, y'all, I don't know. I don't be planning out my vlogs or anything like that. Y'all already know that because I told you that before. So whatever, pops up in my head, that's what we're gonna do, okay? So, but just know I'm trying to go get that clip for my dryer. That's what I'm looking for at Lowe's. So Keyson's still asleep. Kayla and her little family, they are gone, y'all. They're not here. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see or you could tell, it is cloudy out here. The sun trying to come out a little bit, but it is cloudy. I didn't wet my hair, like my scalp, anything like that. If you guys wondering like how I got my hair to lay down and stuff like that, I spritzed my hair, just the hair part of my, I made sure I didn't put the water on my scalp, because y'all, I don't want to get sicker or anything like that. So I just wet down the ends of my hair. And then I put gel up here and everything, y'all. Y'all, I'm using this new gel. I don't know if I told you guys. I probably did. I don't know. I'll show you again. I'm using Cantu avocado gel. Now, I'm liking this one. I'm going to give the other gel a rest. I still love that gel. It still do good for my hair and everything. But I'm thinking about giving it a rest and just try different gels. I'm ready to use this one throughout my hair. I just put it on the ends of my hair and it defined my curls pretty good. It did. So I can't wait to use it all over my head just to see, how my curls gonna look when I wear my hair down and stuff. But yeah, so far I'm liking it. It's alcohol free. And it has avocado oil and shea butter. What I said, butter? Butter in it, y'all. So yeah, got this. Alright, y'all, this is what I need for my dryer. It's a dryer clip thing. I think it's worn out or something. I don't know. Let me just show you. it won't stay closed. So that's what I'm looking for. Just gonna take a picture of it. Hopefully, somebody can help me with it. Okay. And this is a whirlpool. Alright, y'all. So I'm getting ready to go now. Y'all got my Kleenex right here. So, hold on, y'all. I gotta blow my nose. So, yeah, guys. I'm getting ready to go to Lowe's, though. Get ready to do that. But Keeson, he want Wingstop. I told him we can get that a little later. After I do my errands or whatever, I'll probably stop by Wingstop and just get us some food. I really don't want wings. I really want a salad. That's what I really want. But, I don't want no salad from Chili's. I don't know, y'all. Y'all remember I told you about Tommy Girl perfume? I've been getting compliments like crazy. I keep telling you guys. I wore it to work, right? This guy was like, what do you have on, man? He said, you got this whole warehouse smelling so freaking good. He was like, what are you wearing? I told him. So, yeah, I told you that Tommy Girl something serious, y'all. I have it on right now. But it do smell good. That's why I had to let you guys know, because I am wearing or smelling it now. I'm just like, y'all, this really do smell good. It really do. The guy, he just went crazy. Yeah, guys, so he was like, I know when you're around, man. He was like, because your scent just linger, you know. So it's real good. So, y'all, I'm here at Lowe's now. I'm getting ready to turn in. Alright, y'all, I made it here, so I'm just gonna run in here real quick and just to see if they have that clip. I really hope they do. If they do, I'm gonna show you guys where to get it from, you know, so just in case you have that same problem. So yeah, let's just go ahead and go. They didn't have this, but they do, so I put the other concealer back and got this one. So, y'all, they didn't have the little clip thing that I needed for my dryer. The guy was telling me that I might need to order it or go through Whirlpool company or something like that and to get it. So I'm gonna have to do that, like see if they have it on Amazon or Whirlpool company. So I just left the beauty supply store. I just showed you guys I got my LA Color, no, is it LA Girl Pro concealer. I thought they didn't have it. I was looking around for it, looking, and when I picked up the other one and I started looking again, that's when I found it. So I'm glad I found it, because that's my favorite one, y'all. I've been using that concealer for years. So yeah, so I'm getting ready to get our food now, guys. Me and Keeson. I'm gonna go ahead and get the Wingstop. I really didn't want that, but I'll go ahead and get it. Y'all probably think we Wingstopping down, honey. Why this car on my butt? Oh, okay, I'm like, why is this car up on my butt, y'all? Okay, I just made it to Wingstop. Alright, y'all. Ooh, got our food. I told you guys, try the honey rub. That's honey hot. But you gotta make sure you say honey rub. so good. All right, y'all, I'm on my way home now. Guess what, y'all? Keyshawn and I, we getting ready to go get this car washed. Huh? You know how to get there? Y'all know how to get there? I'm saying, like, I'm going like getting off the engine. You want to follow me? Yeah. Okay. I'll be driving slow. He talking about don't be driving slow. I don't drive slow, y'all.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world.
Y'all, we finally got it clean. Get ready to vacuum the car out, clean it out and stuff. All right, as you can see, y'all, I have like plastic down on the floor. This is what they put on the floor when I purchased the car. As you can see, I need to vacuum it out and stuff. Get the receipt. Got paper here. See how sticky it is down there from drinks and stuff. I'm thinking about just taking this up, y'all. I don't know. I got a little hole on that one. I wonder if I can buy another one, because I really don't like floor mats, because they move too much, and this right here lasts a long time. That's how much dirt is in the car. Huh? You said my car a little better? Oh, yes. So, yeah, guys, it's not too bad. See how the back is. So I'm getting ready to vacuum this out. Up under here is just book for the car. So I just keep this up under here. His water bottle is up under my thing. I've been telling him to get this forever. So he's your water bottle. I'm gonna put that seat on the floor. Huh? You have another one. So y'all, this is what the car is looking like on the outside. I'm gonna show you the whole car as soon as I finish vacuuming it out. I pulled the plastic up from here. I'm gonna see if I can go purchase some more plastic to go down here, because I really do not like car mats, y'all. Yeah, so this is how it's looking so far, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish vacuuming out this side right here and pull that plastic up. So I'm hoping I can get new plastic, y'all. We will see.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more.
Hey y'all, I just put my lip gloss on. I know I didn't go into details about my car, y'all. I know that. I know. I didn't want to, okay? But y'all know this is a Dodge Journey. And, yeah, when I showed the car, y'all, I wanted you guys to know that this is a 3-row seat vehicle, okay? I had my other row down when I showed you guys. So, you know, just to have, like, more room back there in the back. Like, when I go grocery shopping, I want to put stuff back there in the back. So I just let the back row seat, you know, down. I just keep it down. So, y'all, it's a couple of days later from those clips. So, I am on my way to work right now. But I wanted to come on and talk to you guys a little bit. I'm still blowing my nose a little bit, y'all. My cold is getting a lot better, though. I'm feeling a lot better than I did. Yesterday was kind of hard for me, though, at work. I was like dragging y'all for real, but this it's getting a lot better. My eyelash, hold on. Trying to make sure. It felt like it was coming up, or I didn't. Okay, but anyway, yeah. Let me get ready to go, y'all. I already got my seatbelt on. Let me get ready to go, and it was something else I had to say, but I forgot what it was, y'all. What was it? I don't know. Y'all, your girl been riding. So, as you guys probably can hear, I still got that little cold. Probably hear it, I don't know. Got my voice. You know, my voice already raspy, but I'm just a little congested, just a little bit. But, yeah, guys, coming on again. I still don't remember what I had to say. I don't. But, anyway. I'm gonna get this day started, y'all. Get this day, well, my work part of it over with. And, yeah, Keeson, he already there. That boy, he be leaving so early in the morning now. I told you guys they changed our hours. So, yeah. I kind of want to stop by Chick-fil-A and get me like some type of breakfast. I want to, but I don't know what time it is. I might not even have time to stop. I really do want to get some type of breakfast. Y'all, this sun is like really hitting, right? So I'm here, y'all. Made it. Best friend just pulled up. Y'all, best friend just pulled up. What's up?
What's up? How you feeling? You good?
Yeah, I'm better.
She get a little video. Get my cameo. What's up?
You're so stupid.
I'm about to go in here right here and get situated.
Okay, I'm coming.
Alright. Can't even hear you. Good.
Yeah, I'm a little better.
That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, well I see you when you get in here.
Okay.
Alright.
That's best friend, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to go in too, y'all. I'm at McDonald's right now. I gotta pay for my my breakfast real quick. I had to get me some breakfast, y'all. I told you I needed some breakfast real bad. But I forgot to show you guys my nails. I had put on some new press-ons nails. This is by Kiss. This is the French tip. But it don't look like French tips, so I'm gonna polish these right now. Waiting on my food, y'all. As usual at McDonald's. I got my orange juice. I don't know what's going on, y'all. And I gotta be back in a few minutes. But I'm gonna polish my nail color. Like a neon yellow color, if you know what I'm talking about. That's like my favorite nail polish for the summer. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that today. Yeah, so yeah. My girl at work, she got that same color, and I told her that was my favorite color. I was like, girl, you got my favorite color. She was like, trying to flex with it, you know? So, I'm definitely getting my nails colored that color. Well, painted that color. Thank you. Need the grape jelly. That's okay. Thank you. Have a good one. All right, y'all. Got my food. Got my food. All right, take my butt back to work, y'all. I'm gonna eat inside.